Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Here today, it's options expiration day, 7 February. It's Friday. All right, so first off, here we got some calls and some puts. Looks like this put is in a little bit of trouble. It's okay. We're still have time for that one. Here we go. The next February 21 for Carnival. Still okay. I'm not going to worry about that right now. It's looking pretty good. Coinbase, February 7, looks mostly good. It looks like I'm not going to get called out on these, and they're big money makers. So that's woo, awesome. Hopefully you guys are following along in my stock group. If not, be sure to join the channel. It's pretty cheap now. It's a new method. Go check it out. Anyway, okay, Disney. Let's take a look at those. February 7. Looks pretty good. Might get called on one side of that. That's okay. It's still pretty close. I can always sell a call or a put next month and do my thing there. All right, so let's keep going here. What do we got? Here we got Disney. Okay, we still got a little bit longer on the put side, and the call side looks good. So let's not deliberate on that point. FUV, man, EVs have been having a real problem. Man, my canoe really screwed the pooch on that one. Anyway, that's too bad. I really like that one. It had a cool looking design. I was going to get one of their vans, but not going to happen now. Oh well. Moving on. Okay. Bitcoin's doing great. So that's iBit. Look at that. Halliburton's good. No options there. Lucid, another horror story. I really like that car. MPW. Yep. I still have high hopes for them. Netflix. I wish I would have bought a whole mess load more of Netflix. Man, that's a buster. Wow. All right. Anyway, going down the list, NVIDIA's pretty decent. Could do an option there. I have to go check that out. I have to check out that option. OKE's up a lot. Oxy, Awesome Oil. Oh, Palantir. Palantir has just been busting out recently. Their earnings report was outstanding. Their outlook is up. Tons of money. I mean, they're kind of on the fringes of AI. They have a lot of really good systems. I did a review on them earlier, if you saw it on my channel. If you didn't, go check it out. It's pretty cool. Love them a lot. Obviously, I bought 1,000 plus shares. I put a bunch of puts out, right? So my cost basis is actually lower than what's listed. So that is a little bit false. But man, I'm making good money here. I can't complain about Palantir. They are just awesome. I love Palantir. I'm going to do a long-term hold on them. Maybe not 1,000 shares. Looks like I'm probably going to lose a couple of these calls that I made. I thought for sure it would be hanging around 80 to 90. I did not think it would bust up above 100. That is just crazy. I'm just glad I have a bunch of shares still. In a couple different accounts. You can see the puts, all money. Puts are in the 70s. Stock shot up to over 100, and it's going to go higher after that earnings report. Unbelievable. It's really hard to make any money on rolling these with a calendar spread or a diagonal or anything like that. It's going to be really hard to do. I looked at it before. I'm going to have to sacrifice the 3 puts or the 3 calls that I have.